Are you faced with unprecedented challenges and limited resources? Do you have an outstanding product or service whose perceived value or relevance has been compromised by radical market or customer shift, making it more difficult to achieve those much needed sales targets? Are you considering evolving, pivoting, or changing what you sell, but you're not sure how to accurately evaluate your current situation and develop a plan for moving forward while also mitigating risk so you can ensure a return on your investment? Is your team struggling with how to articulate why someone should do business with you, or explain convincingly, in person or via your online channels, why your product or service is of value to your ideal customers? Evaluating the status of your business and brand can be challenging when you have multiple demands on your time or you're very close to the picture. This often makes it difficult to identify the best next steps to take or jobs to be done to rebuild, pivot, or maximize return on investment. Perhaps you don't have time to immerse yourself so deeply, so you need a shortcut or faster solution to help you achieve your commercial objectives far more quickly. The Persona Brand Audit Consult will help you clarify your thinking so you can reevaluate both short and longer term plans to grow your business and mitigate risk. The objective of your private brand audit consultation is to discuss your current commercial challenges from a business and brand perspective. Identify how you could potentially solve some of your business or brand problems, the various options for consideration. Agree potential next steps to move forward successfully within your resources. Give you opportunity to ask questions and pick our brains in relation to your brand and business. Use your consultation to access 20 plus years of award-winning brand audit expertise. Unlock that big brand know-how so you can identify your brand's strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities for innovation and growth. If you're a business leader, decision maker, business owner, manager, or entrepreneur, then this Brand Audit Consult is for you. Book your Persona Brand Audit Consult so you can discover with us how to mitigate risk, build business resilience, and underpin innovation to grow your profitability. Be the one unstoppable in uncertainty.